there or any from other things. Fine. So there is a multiplexer is available. Multiplexer is coming from where? A control unit. See, now I am trying to explain now what is the things. Fine. Over there, let's suppose 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 is available. So 1 will come over there. Multiplexer will do control signal as 1. So he will pass either this or this. So any one of them data will reach over there. Now addition, multiplication, accumulation, whatever the process then be done over there, result will be available. Now result can be saved inside what? Again into the register or into the memory. So over there the data is going into a MUX data memory. From there data memory is coming. Again the two control signal are coming to where this data need to be sent. This data need to be sent fine inside the memory or from outside the memory. So when we are talking about register part, instructions need to be only going to the reg file. That's why there is no memory over there. See, only data memory is available. Now from that data memory, again the data will go into the register. See, this is only the one. From there, read data or data memory. Data यहाँ से लाना है या data memory में से लेना है, इन दोनों में से data will go and again go into the register. So everything will be processed into the register things only. Right? This is the architecture how this complete instruction will be divided. Right? Over there, right? First of all, the instruction decoder will be due. So this 7-byte binary data will come over there. This 7-byte binary data is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. Let's suppose branch is 0. That means क्या नहीं करना? What we need to do? Branching operation will not happen. Memory read 0. That means we need not to read the data from memory. Over there 1. Memory to reg? No. Next is ALU 1. Yes, we have to perform, let's suppose ALU. ALU control unit will be activated and then ALU will be activated. Fine. Next is memory write 0. Let's suppose. So memory write will not happen. Fine. ALU synchronization. Yes, 1. Then this will be activated and based on this data come from there, go inside. Fine. Reg write. Yes, we want to write something into the register. Once the data has been completed, if we want to write over there, then over there will come what? 1. So the format will become what? 0, 0. Say, I think it is difficult or fine, not that much easy to understand each and everything, but just giving you, fine, let's suppose this 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this format will be what? 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Can I write like this?
Yes.
Fine. Now, if I convert this, fine, suppose there is a 0 on that side. If I convert them into the hexadecimal, this is what? 6. This is what? 8. So this is what?
Okay.
68. And let's suppose this is telling move fine R1 into R1. Let's suppose. So I am writing move R1 or load R1. Let's suppose this is a load R1. Load the data of R1 into accumulator. Let's suppose it's telling like that. So this data is understandable to me. I will put this 68H into the processor. This 68H will reach to there. Fine. This will be decoded, and after decoding, we will get this binary data. Based on this binary data, individual lines will be activated over there, and they will perform their task. Like that, the processor works. Fine.